Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to take a screenshot without button on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. Are you having trouble capturing screenshot on your smartphone? Okay, and then for smartphone users, if you find it difficult to take a screenshot manually, you can follow these steps, so make sure not to miss any step. Well, first thing you have to do is please open Settings menu on your device. Well, after that, here you can scroll down. Okay, and then in this page, you can select Accessibility option. And then you can press on Interaction and Dexterity menu. Well, after that, you can activate Assistant menu by pressing this button. And then click Allow. Well, after that, tap on Assistant menu icon here. And then you can press on Screenshot option to take a screenshot without button. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to take a screenshot without button on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.